What's up, guys? It's me, Chase Sapp. Welcome back to another Beyblade video. Subscribe and like if you haven't already. And let's get on to the video.
Go.
Today, the stadium we will be using is Beyblade Metal Fury Volcano Vortex Base Stadium. Using the string launcher. It's going to be Tornado Rock Eagle versus the special edition Very Aries. Let's get this started. So this is round one. Let's go. That was hard to see, but I think Special Edition Very Aries won. Round two, let's get this started. Round two, let's get this started. Let's go. It's hard to use this with the left spin. So, round three, let's get this started. Go. That was a fail. What's up, everybody? What's up, guys? This is another video. This is